Hello, I'm Mark, and this is In the Round. Today I want to show you how to make this little serrated loop, which may very well be my favorite sculpting tool. You will need a coping saw blade, a bit of dowel, and a saw to cut it to length, epoxy, a drill with a 1/8 inch bit, wire cutters, pliers, a belt sander or blade for shaping the dowel, sandpaper for finishing. First, cut and drill the dowel. Whatever length feels comfortable is the right length. Bend the saw blade into two little loops, one smaller, one larger. Work slowly, or you might snap the blade. Trim the loops to length and check their fit. Taper the ends of the dowel with a blade or sander. You can also facet the dowel for a better grip. Sand it smooth. Mix your epoxy and glue the loops in place. As a final step, I coat the entire handle in epoxy for strength and durability, then sand it smooth.